How to get verified on Reddit. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser and go to reddit.com. On Reddit, make sure that you are logged in to your account. At the top right corner, you will see your profile icon. Click on it to open your profile. On your profile, you need to look for Get Verified option. If you are eligible, you will see a Get Verified button near your profile name or under your avatar. If you don't see it, you are likely not eligible yet, which is my case. This is because the rollout is limited. If you have the Get Verified option, then click on it to follow the prompt. You will need to submit verification. If you have the option, you will need to follow prompts. It may ask you for a selfie plus your username photo. After you have provided all the necessary details, you will need to click on the submit option. Now you won't get the verified badge option right away, which means that you will need to wait for approval. Reddit will review your submission and you will get notified if you are approved. Some things that you will need to remember is that Reddit verification is still rolling out in stages, so not everyone has access to it. That's all for today. Thank you.